Hi, I'm Ken Carson with Xybix, and this is part of our troubleshooting channel, and this is how to reset your table when you get an E01 code. So one of the most common codes we're going to get is the E01, and what that means is the table saying, I need to be reset. So with your E01 code, we've made it a little bit easier so you can reset this, but what we're going to do, kind of like the modems of a long time ago, we're just going to unplug and replug in, but we're going to do that at the hand control where it's easy to get to. Underneath the work surface here, we've cut out a special pocket, one for the keyboard surface, and one further back is for the monitor surface. So whichever one you're having an issue with. We're struggling right now with the keyboard surface. So next to that is these kind of key-shaped pockets, and inside there is what we call a coupler. And it's really easy. This, you can see, looks like an old phone connection, so I'm going to unplug that. The trick here is we're going to wait 30 seconds, and then we'll plug it back in. So after 30 seconds, I'm just going to grab this, make sure I got my thing lined up, once again, just like a phone, and I'm going to plug it back in. Now the key here is we're going to wait another 30 seconds before we touch any buttons. So what we're going to do in the meantime is I'm going to reach under here, and I'm just going to get the coupler, push it in the open spot of this, and then push it back, and it's just held in with friction. And then your coiled cord is just going to stay right up here. I'm going to tuck this in just a little bit more so your cables are all managed. The coupler's in there, it's not going to fall out. Now we're going to go back to the top of the work surface and make sure we waited that 30 seconds. So our next step is we're going to hold the down button, and it's going to flash E01, but the unit's going to run down slowly about half speed down to the bottom. So as we go down at half speed, it's going to get down the bottom, give us a little bit of a bounce. There's my bounce, and it reads 57. We're reset at that time. Everything should be in great shape. Push my up button, and you can see and you can hear it's coming up back at normal speed. Quick side note, it's also important to make sure everything's clear underneath. Things happen day to day. People put a trash can under there, a backpack, or even a chair. So let's move everything out of the way. Make sure this is clear over here. Make sure this is clear before we start this E01 procedure. Thank you for watching this video on the E01 reset on your Xybix console. If you're not sure about something or you have some questions, our customer service team is here to help. We'll have their 800 number and their email address down below. So hit us up, we're here to help.